Here's how to hide apps from the app library on your iPhone. If you just want to remove an app from your home screen, tap and hold the app, select Remove App, then choose Remove from Home Screen. However, this doesn't hide it from the app library. To fully hide an app, bring it back to the home screen, tap and hold it. Then select Require Face ID, Hide, and Require Face ID. The app will no longer appear in the app library unless you scroll to the bottom, tap Hidden, and authenticate with Face ID. Another option is through Settings, i.e. off. Screen time. Go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, turn it on, and tap Allowed Apps to disable system apps like FaceTime. For third-party apps like Instagram or Snapchat, go to Apps and set an age restriction, e.g. 4+. This will hide any app not allowed for that age range. When you're ready to unhide apps, simply go back into Settings and adjust the restrictions. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.